I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. I got chased inside by the snow today. But folks, listen, if you like what we're doing at Green Market Report, head on over to our Patreon page. Remember, the news can't be made for free. We would love it if you could help us and show us your support. The biggest news this week was, well, very big indeed. The Senate passed the 2018 Farm Bill that included language legalizing hemp. The next stop is to go to the House for them to pass the bill and then to the president's desk to be signed. The bill is very important for the industry because it amends the Controlled Substances Act to reschedule CBD that is made from hemp. It also moves the regulatory authority from the Department of Justice to the Department of Agriculture. And when it comes to farmers, they would now be able to grow the crop for purposes other than research, and they would be able to get crop insurance. We have some earnings to go over this week. Multi-state operator Cresco Labs reported third quarter revenue of $12.2 million. That's a 335% increase over last year. Their net income nearly doubled from $2 million in the previous quarter to $3.9 million. Hexo Corp reported its first quarter fiscal results for 2019. Their gross revenue of 6.7 million Canadian dollars. 5.2 million of that came from legal adult use cannabis sales during the first 2 weeks of legalization. Dixie Brands reported revenue of $2.4 million in the third quarter. However, they also delivered a net loss of $2.4 million. Harvest Health and Recreation has formed a joint venture with Ana We Wood for a real estate investment vehicle. They've raised $100 million for that effort. Afria continues to forge ahead with its international expansion in Paraguay, and that's despite coming under fire from a short seller recently. Last week, Hindenburg Investment Research released a short report on the company criticizing them for their international dealings. And G-Tech Holdings announced that they had been approved for uplisting on the OTCQB venture market. So effective immediately, the company will start trading on the OTCQB under the symbol GGTTF. And that's it for this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt reporting for the Green Market Report.